What's good, meathead? Coach MANdler here. Inside today's video, I want to show you a quick and simple trick to correct one of the biggest mistakes I see a lot of lifters inside the gym making when doing, without a doubt, the most powerful and popular kettlebell exercises that there is. I'm talking, of course, about the double-handed kettlebell swing. You see, the swing has multiple benefits that it brings to the table. It's great for developing strength, endurance, explosiveness, conditioning. Not just that though, it's a great tool for teaching a good hip hinge and hip extension. It's a solid replacement for someone who, say, doesn't want to do any Olympic lifts, and ultimately does a fantastic job of teaching you how to tie your upper and lower body together so that you're able to move more athletically and synergistically. All right? Now, the problem is with kettlebell swings, a lot of lifters new to training with kettlebells treat the swing like a front shoulder raise, like a bodybuilder would use, instead of the hip hinging pendulum-like movement it's intended to be. Now, if that's what you have a bad habit of doing, then there's a very simple drill you can use to correct this issue. What you're going to do is use a towel to wrap around the handle of the kettlebell, grip the towel itself, and then swing the kettlebell. What this does is prevents you from being able to resist the kettlebell during the eccentric phase of the lift as it swings back down in between your legs. So for any of you having a tough time figuring out how to separate the swing from a front raise, use this drill until your body comprehends the correct way to execute this kick-ass exercise. Not only will it allow you to get the most out of the swing, but as a bonus, it doubles as a way to develop some jacked forearms and some gorilla-like grip strength. So check it out, try it out, and let me know what you think of this drill by leaving your comments down below. Hey man, thank you so much for checking out today's kettlebell-based Technique Tuesday video. If you enjoyed it and have a different exercise that you want me to focus on in a future Technique Tuesday, just leave that suggestion down in the comment section below, and I promise I'll get to it down the line. And before you leave, please make sure you subscribe to the channel so you never miss out on any of the future tips and routines I'm going to be hooking you up with here, as well as grab your free fat loss program that I put together for you by clicking on the book image you see right over there to the right. Click over there and I'll take you to the free download page, which breaks down everything you're getting with this kick-ass gift and tells you exactly what you need to do in order to get it without paying a single penny. So just click there and I'll do the rest on the other page. Appreciate your time, guys. Have a good one. MANdler out.